Let's learn how do we find 320 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. Now 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that this 0 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. Look that this is the number 0. So we can remove 1 0. And we know that 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. Now we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0. That is why 320 divided by 2 is equal to 160. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.